Now, people may ask, why, Stacy? Why are you picking on my religion? Why are you picking on the Bible? Why? Why me? Why are you destroying my reality? I'll tell you why. I was raised Roman Catholic. Both sides. I won't talk about the suffering I went through. We'll move past that. But I'm a chain breaker, a cycle breaker. I'm the answer to my grandmother's prayers. Let it end. And so I begged, let it end with me. To do that, I had to find the roots. I had to find the roots of that abuse, of sexual molestation, of rape, from parent to child, of alcoholism, drinking, numbing, avoiding, not understanding, ignoring. I had to find the root. Where does it come from? I gotta tear it up. Gotta figure it out if I truly want this to end. God said he would do it. Did he? No. No. I had to because it led back to him. This God who ordered sacrifice and created people who will not come down off their crosses. Created people who ignore and either refuse to or cannot come to understanding because they're numbing their pain. Whether it's with overworking themselves, music, whatever it is, they're ignoring other aspects of themselves. I had to learn that because I'm more in the words, the creativity, the feeling, and the flowing of things. I had to learn to balance that with taking care of my physical self, with dealing with money, creating stability. And I did it. And I'm going to do it again. And again. I had to take out the root. That's why. Tear it out from within myself and put it in the face of that which was not seeing, was not acknowledging. Dude, you're the problem.